Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asanano and today we'll be making this simple printing gown without pattern. Let's dive into it. I have half length 16, the shoulder 8, the armhole 8. I go down by half an inch for the shoulder slope, the neckline 3 by 3. Then this is the back part. I'm going in by 1, so the back of the plinting will stand perfectly. So after that I divided it because I'm going to be adding zip, because I already put my zip allowance. So I already cut out my facing for the front part. After I'm done, I'm going to use Amy gum to bring it down perfectly. So this is the back part. This is the back part. So I'll do the same thing I did for the front to the back. So for the down part, I minus 16, that's the half length, from the full length 60. So what I have, I'll divide what I have by 3 to make the down part, as you can see. So guys, this is how I'll be arranging them. Then the black one will be at the upper part. So guys, just stay tuned. When I'm done, you see the final results. Thank you.